down here and check out the beach. I wanted to make my video. I think I can take it down here. It's too windy and too cold. Hey, amazing friend. Just finished day 1 of my 5-day water cleanse. This is where everything begins, because the moment we stop eating, our body shifts from digestion to detoxification. On a normal day, our body is either processing food or repairing cells all day long. When we do a water fast, fasting from food, and a water cleanse, cleansing with water only, we give our body time and space to repair, restore, remove, and renew. So what happens during day 1 of just drinking spring water? Insulin levels start to drop, our body begins using stored energy, and our digestive system gets to rest. Spring is the perfect time. It's hard to believe it's spring, but it's a perfect time to do this. Because just like nature, we're coming out of a slower season and moving into renewal, lightness, and energy. This is a perfect time for a body, mind, and spirit reset. I'm keeping this cleanse super clean. I'm only drinking water all day long. High quality spring water, living water with natural minerals, so it hydrates on a deeper level. And for the first 3 days, I'm only enjoying a peppermint tea with ginger. I'm keeping it gentle and supportive. This lake behind me, there's no one here. As for supplements, I'm keeping that light as well. I'm adding vitamin C, B complex, trace minerals, magnesium, and a few antioxidants. This supports my cells without interrupting my cleanse. So how am I feeling after day 1? Physically, I have very light hunger waves, but only when I think about food. I'm just a little bit tired, and I'm only walking. I'm not working out in the gym while I'm cleansing. I'm blowing my nose a lot, which I rarely ever need to do anymore since I went raw plant-based. It just means my body is doing a deep cleansing of stored toxins. Emotionally, I'm feeling amazing. Mentally, I have to keep shifting my mental mindset chatter about food. This is all happening because my body is switching gears from processing food to repairing, resetting, and restoring my system. And underneath that, something even more powerful is happening to my body. Inflammation is starting to drop. Let me put my glove on. Drop, and digestion is slowing down. Blood sugar is stabilizing. And the best part, my body is switching from outside fuel, food, and burning stored fuel, fat, for energy. My body is clearing. And my system is beginning to reset. This is the Easter weekend, and this is the day I chose to pause, to reset, and to give my body what it has been asking for. A mini spa vacation where she can relax while getting detoxifying treatments internally. Why is this so powerful? We're breaking the habit loop. And not just about food. This is mindset and body. Amazing friends, this is a mental challenge. It's about shifting our mindset to understand what we're experiencing and why we're doing this for our body and for ourselves. We need to anchor our mindset not in missing food. It's that we're resetting control. Add that to a spiritual level, a release attachment, and create space. The goal for day 1 is to set the tone for a clean slate. Amazing friends, I have to warn you, here are some of the side effects of doing a water cleanse for 5 days. Radiant skin glow, anti-aging activation, release of stored weight, reduced bloating, improved mental clarity, stable clean energy, digestive reset, detoxification support, calmer nervous system, deeper cellular hydration, increased cellular repair, craving reset, reduced inflammation, improved circulation, enhanced lymphatic flow. Our blood sugar gets balanced. We have hormonal recalibration, greater lightness in our body, and overall vibrant glow up. So amazing friends, let's shift our mindset, stabilize our energy, trust the process, and then we rise. Have a amazing day.